Wave 2. You asked and we heard. Cascade now has real-time web search in addition to reading URLs. Cascade can now also learn your workflow patterns over time and turn them into auto-generated memories, so you don't have to just rely on explicit rules. Code execution is now smoother than ever with native IDE terminal shell integration. Plus, you can now push issues straight to Cascade from the Problems tab. All of this streamlines your development workflow, and everything I just mentioned is available to enterprises today with full support for our SaaS and hybrid deployments. That's a lot to kick off the new year, so let's get into it. Cascade can now search the web in real time, parsing and reasoning over the latest information. Simply ask a question that needs the internet, or paste in a direct URL to pull in any relevant data. Best of all, documents are read entirely from your device within your network. So if you're using a website that's behind a VPN, Windsurf will be able to access it too, no problem. Web search opens up a ton of possibilities. For example, Cascade can now instantly fetch the latest API docs for you automatically. It can also retrieve the changelogs from your favorite open source libraries. And of course, you can always feed it direct links, including things like files, blog posts, and tutorials. The magic is that Windsurf automatically knows when to search, what to look for, and whether to continue reading other pages, just like a human would on a real browser.
Cascade now learns your patterns automatically and saves them as persistent context across all of your conversations. We're calling this feature Autogenerated Memories. For instance, as you work together, Cascade might create a new memory, documenting your code's architecture, core components, and key design patterns. These memories will now be retrievable in all of your future conversations so that you and Cascade won't have to start from scratch each time. So how do you activate Cascade-generated memories? You can directly ask Cascade to create memories whenever you want it to remember important details. But even if you don't, Cascade will proactively create these memories for you, recording key pieces of context that it has learned and it believes is important. Of course, you remain in full control. Review or remove memories at any time. We're rolling this out gradually, so sit tight, it'll be available to you shortly.
Cascade now runs terminal commands using the underlying IDE shell. This enables better support for stateful shell workflows like Python virtual environments and a more native shell integration into the IDE overall. The dev container extension was also improved, where we've added beta Windows support, SSH agent support on Mac and Linux, and a lot of stability fixes. Cascade also integrates with the Problems tab, allowing it to identify and resolve issues directly. No copy pasting required. Plus, the updated UI makes it even easier to diagnose and fix problems with a refreshed design, ghost text hints, and a quick shortcut to trigger all the actions, all seamlessly integrated into Windsurf. We are really just getting started by laying the foundation for an incredible year ahead. Make sure you download the latest version of Windsurf today.